Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Rainbow Six Siege 120 FPS on PC5. So let's start. I'm checking the answers on Reddit, and well, this answer was the one that I think works a lot. So here is the solution. But for while in on Xbox you have to disable 4K. This is not for PS from that one, so you have to use it on Xbox. So disable the 4K from the settings even if the display allow checking the system ABD display are both set for BBRR and auto low latency. Then the set the H seed to 120, which bumps the rest to default 1080, then finally switching to 1440 pixels in the system, all along the way confirming the changes. So you have to double check in the performance mode is on the game and then maybe reset the game and possible reboot, and then you are can do it. So well, it says you're not alone because well, you can get figured someday before stage. So I think this is the best comment, and I think this is the one who works a lot. As I said, it's more for Xbox because for PS it's not possible yet, but I think that you can try it. Well guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.